Hey guys, this is Brandon on Vacuums, and today I'm back in my living room with my Eureka Airspeed Gold. I'm actually going to pick up a lot of dog hair, so let's go right ahead and plug my machine in, and let's start vacuuming. Here's the cord release. This is a lot of dog hair, I bet. We'll see that after when I'm done vacuuming here. Plug the machine in. Alright. And let's start vacuuming. Lots of punching noises. see my start for that. Oh yeah. All the filter it up to the side there. Oh yeah. Well, that is my video. I'll be back in my room. Alright, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Alright, we'll see you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, bye.